Ah, my aching fingers. Hey, it's Greg from Jammin With You, and today I'll be giving you 5 tips for your fingertips. Stick around.
Jammin' with you all day.
So when you're first starting out on guitar, if there's one thing that you know, it's that your fingers really start to hurt from pressing down on those strings all the time when they haven't ever done that before. So here are 5 ways that you can help your fingers to not hurt so much when you're first learning guitar. Number 1, start out slow. You might want to be playing for an hour every day or something like that, especially when you're excited when you're first learning how to play, right? But that doesn't mean that it has to be an hour all at one time. You can break it up across the day. You can do 10 minutes and then give your hand a break. You can do 15 minutes, give your hand a break. You could break it into 2 half hours, whatever you like. Or you can play for a longer time one day, take the next day off, and that'll give your fingertips a chance to heal. Get the correct type of strings for your hands. There are all different types of strings. There are thin strings, there are medium strings, there are heavy strings, and how thick and heavy the string is will impact how hard you have to press with your hand to get those strings to go down all the way. So, you want to make sure that you experiment with some different kinds of strings. Maybe you want to start off with thin strings because those are the easiest on your fingers, or maybe you really like medium. Whatever you choose, make sure that you find one that feels good for your hand. Adjusting your action. Now, the action is the distance between the string and the fretboard, okay? So the amount of room that is in between the string and the fretboard will determine just how hard you have to press down to get it to sound the note. So, if your action is too high, you're really going to have to press down hard to be able to get it there. You can go to any instrument repair shop and ask them to check the action. Basically, there are different ways you can adjust things here. If it's an electric, if it's an acoustic, you can adjust the action on that. There are tutorials out there of how to do this yourself at home, but I advise taking it to an instrument shop. Many of them can do that, at least when you're starting and you're not yet familiar with all of the mechanics of your instrument. And they can adjust it so that you don't have to press quite as hard to get the note that you're looking for. You can try practicing without pressing down the strings every time. So let's say that you've learned a song with 3 chords and you want to run it a bunch of times. Okay, you can play it a few times where you're actually pressing all the way so that you can hear the chords and make sure that you know how to play them. Then you can just practice going through the changes without actually pressing the strings and still be learning and developing that muscle memory of those chord changes. Lastly, let your fingers start to develop calluses. At the beginning, it's going to hurt, but over time, you'll start to find that you build up calluses on the tips of your fingers. Mine now pretty much just have an indent all the time because I play guitar every day of my life. And it doesn't really hurt after time goes by. You find that you have built up some really thick calluses there so that when you press, it doesn't hurt. So allow it some time for that to happen. Before you know it, you'll start to have those, and then it won't hurt so much. All right, that should do it. Please give us a like and a subscribe, and come back again to see what other fun tutorials we've got coming up. Thanks for watching, and happy playing.